In this video, I'll show you how you can ping abilities in League of Legends. Now, first what you want to do is open up your options, go to hotkeys, find communication, and find where your ping is. Now I have mine on Alt mouse button, so when I press Alt and I click somewhere, I can also hold it in and do like this. But what you want to do is simply use your button and click on your ability. So if I click on Alt and I click on my ability, it says my W is ready. If I use my W, I can show my team how much time there is. So just go into hotkeys, make sure you have the key right here. You can use whatever key you want. This is just what I'm comfortable with. And then you can simply click on your abilities. Now this is especially useful for your ultimate. Let's say you're fighting and you want to tell your team that your ult is up soon. You can click on it and they'll be able to see when it's up. So that's basically how you can do it, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.